Okay, we want to solve this double integral. It could is pretty straightforward. And I would explain that a little bit here. But first of all, what you want to look at are the limits of integration, and you also want to look at the order of this, of the dx and dy. And now, what you can see here is essentially that we've got uh, for the inner integral, we got both the upper and lower limits as x equals to y. In fact, if you want to see how this plays out, the way you really put it is, if you want to see it more obvious, you know that x here is said to be equal to y, and x here equals to y here. And over here will be y equals to 1.